Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to something new. I have acquired a 3D printer this weekend, and it is part of a 10th anniversary gift I got from work. They were nice enough to get me this 3D printer. And so right now, I leveled it out and I'm testing a rabbit is what it's printing right now. And I'll try to get down and see. It's been going for a little bit. You can kind of see it's got the little feet going. But it's a filament printer. And just kind of wanted to do a video of seeing how it's printing, because I'm all excited about it. That M3 Lee's going to get its suspension piece sooner than we thought. So I will probably, this probably got another hour and a half, or, well, I don't know how long it's been going. It says it right here. 18 minutes. Yeah, it's got about an hour and a half. Something like that. But I'm new to 3D printing and find this fascinating, and wanted to share it. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and I'll have to post the rabbit when it's finished. We'll see you guys next time.